Hello class, welcome to my school. Right, today we'll be covering the topic of addition subtraction. Right, we'll just add a bit more information to what you already know. In this lesson, you will be able to solve addition and subtraction problems and to recognize certain vocabulary relating to addition and subtraction. Okay, now firstly you will have numbers to add or minus. There are several methods to do this. Alright, one of the methods that you might use is what you call partitioning. Right, so partitioning, how you do is you separate the numbers from hundreds, tens, and digits, and then add them together. Now, in this example, let's say we have 235 plus 174. All right, so I want to separate these numbers out first. So we have 2 and we have 1 at the hundreds position. So we can have 200 plus 100 first. Then you add with 3, 30 and 70 in the tens positions. Alright, and then we have in the digits, which is 5 and 4. Alright, so then we do this, we add this together, so we have 300 plus 100 plus 9. So the answer to this would be 300 plus 100 is 400. 400 plus 9 would be 409. Right, this is the partitioning method where you separate them by hundreds, tens, and digits, and then you can add them together. Alright, now another method that we can use is by the column method. Alright, so I'm going to write this in red. Right, we have 235 and 174. Right, you could also do the same thing. It's also considered to be partitioning. Okay, we have 2 plus 1, which is 300, and then we have 3 plus 7, which will give us 100. All right, the remaining numbers at the back will become 0. So you just write here 0, and then 3 plus 7 will be 100. 5 plus 4 is a 9. All right, so we get 409. Okay, this is also a partitioning method. Okay. Now let's look at subtraction. So we have this, we're going to use the same method we use with the red color. Right, we have 459 and we have 318 minus. Okay, so now we have 400 minus 300, we will get 100. Right, then we have 5 minus 1, which would give us 4, and then we have 40. Alright, we have 9 minus 8, which will give us 1. Alright, now we add this together, we will get our answer. Right, we will get 141. Alright, this might be hard to see, I'm going to rewrite it here. 100, 40, and 1. You have to add them, and your answer will get 141. 141. Right, this is what we call a partitioning method, and it's quite easy to see which numbers to add and which numbers to subtract to get your final answer. Now in the next segment here, we're just going to discuss certain vocabulary. Alright, for addition, we have certain words that would when you read a worded problem, you will see these words and you will know that you have to add numbers together. Alright, some of the words are add, plus, increase, sum, and total. And for subtraction, you can say subtract, minus, take away, decrease, difference. So I'm going to just write a few examples here. We have 23 plus 39. I could also say 23 plus 39, or maybe I could also say find the sum of 23 and 39. Right, these are few examples. Right, 23 plus 39, these all mean the same thing. All right, you have to add the numbers together. You could also say total, to find the total of 23 plus 39. You could also say 23 has increased to 39, or 23 has increased to 39. And there's so many different ways. So these are the words that when you read, you will know that it is addition. Alright, now similarly for subtraction, we have a few words, like I said, subtract, minus. So we can say 39, 63 subtracted by for example, subtracted by 39, this is one way, or take away 39 from 63, right? This all mean similar thing. Or what is the difference between 63 and 39, right? So please note these words, alright? These are few vocabularies that you try to memorize, try to understand, so when you read questions or worded problems in the future, you will know what operation it is that you must do.